If you are over 60, I want you to imagine a moment that happens every day. You are sitting in your most comfortable chair, the one that hugs you just right. Now, try to stand up. Did you rock forward first? Did you heave your body or push hard off the armrests? That moment of hesitation or strain is not just a sign of getting older. It is actually a subtle warning sign that your future independence is slowly becoming compromised. Most people believe that aches and loss of strength are inevitable after 60. But this is the crucial misunderstanding. Research shows that adults over 60 lose about 3% of muscle mass each year. This is not about vanity. This decline directly affects your mobility, your balance, and, most importantly, your confidence in navigating the world. That small twinge in your knee or that brief wobble on the stairs, those are not normal. They are early calls for action. But here is the good news. And this is the vital secret I am sharing with you today. You can stop this decline, and you can reverse much of it. You do not need a gym membership. You do not need special equipment. You only need 3 simple exercises that take less than 10 minutes a day, right in your living room. In this detailed guide, I will walk you through the 3 essential movements that target the exact areas needed for strength, balance, and pain-free movement. We will look at easy and advanced variations. Plus, I will share a bonus tip at the end to maximize your results. If you are ready to reclaim your independence and move with confidence, please stay with me. The first exercise is called the Cite to Stand. If I could only give you one movement to maintain your independence, this is it. Think about your day. You need to stand from the bed, from the toilet, from the dining chair, from the car seat. Every single one of these actions relies on the same muscle groups, your quadriceps, your glutes, and your core. When these muscles weaken, we fall into the momentum trap. Instead of relying on strength, we use a dangerous rock and jolt movement. We throw our upper body forward to create momentum. This action puts tremendous strain on your knees and lower back. It is literally creating the exact pain you are trying to avoid. But when these muscles are strong, standing up becomes effortless, smooth, and completely pain-free. A landmark study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research tracked older adults who practiced the Cite to Stand exercise for just 8 weeks. The results were remarkable. Participants showed a 30% improvement in lower body strength. They also reported a significant reduction in knee pain. And perhaps, most importantly, they felt noticeably more confident and independent in their daily lives. Preparation. Find a sturdy chair. One that does not have wheels. Sit toward the front edge. Your feet must be flat on the floor and positioned slightly behind your knees. This foot position is crucial because it puts you in the optimal place to engage your leg muscles. The forward lean. Take a deep breath in through your nose. As you prepare to stand, lean your chest slightly forward, keeping your back straight, not rounded. This lean shifts your center of gravity over your feet. The ascent now, as you exhale through your mouth, press powerfully through your heels and engage your leg muscles to lift yourself up. Imagine you are pushing the floor away from you. The hold at the top. Stand fully upright. Squeeze your glutes gently and hold for 1 second. The descent, the strength builder, slowly lower yourself back down with complete control. Do not just drop. This slow lowering phase is what exercise scientists call the eccentric phase. This is where most of your strength building actually happens. Make it easier, place a cushion or a folded towel on the chair to raise the height. The higher you start, the easier the movement becomes. You can also use your hands lightly on the armrests for assistance. The goal is to gradually use less and less hand support. Make it harder. Cross your arms over your chest. This removes the temptation to use your hands and severely challenges those leg muscles. Common mistakes: standing up too quickly, which uses momentum, not muscle, letting the knees collapse inward, and rounding the back instead of hinging at the hips. Remember, this is about control, not speed. The second exercise is the wall push-up. This movement is absolutely essential for maintaining upper body strength and for protecting your shoulders and posture. As we age, we tend to develop a rounded upper back posture. This puts stress on the spine and makes everyday tasks, like reaching into a high cabinet or carrying groceries, difficult and painful. Upper body strength is directly linked to your ability to maintain good posture and perform these essential daily activities without pain. Research published in the Journal of Physical Therapy, science demonstrated that upper body strengthening exercises, especially push-up variations, significantly improve posture, reduce shoulder pain, and enhance functional capacity in older adults. Participants reported greater ease in daily tasks requiring strength. Preparation: stand facing a sturdy wall about an arm's length away. Place your hands flat against the wall at shoulder height and slightly wider than your shoulders. Stance and core: step your feet back just 6 to 12 inches. The farther back you step, the more challenging the exercise becomes. Your body must form a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core muscles gently, as if you are bracing for a light poke to your stomach. The descent: take a deep breath in through your nose. As you exhale through your mouth, slowly bend your elbows and bring your chest toward the wall. Keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle from your body. Do not let them flare out to the sides. This protects your shoulder joints. The ascent: pause briefly at the bottom. Then, as you inhale again, press powerfully through your palms and straighten your arms to return to the starting position. Your body must move as one solid unit. Avoid sagging at the hips or arching your lower back. The best way to build functional strength is through controlled tempo. Each repetition should take about 4 to 5 seconds, 2 seconds going down, a brief pause, and 2 seconds coming back up. Make it easier: stand closer to the wall. This reduces the angle and makes the movement gentler. Make it harder: step your feet farther back. For advanced clients, you can progress to doing push-ups against a sturdy counter or a table. Common mistakes: moving too quickly, which reduces effectiveness. Allowing your hips to sag toward the wall, and holding your breath. Remember to exhale as you push away to activate your core and stabilize your spine. The third and final exercise is the standing march with arm swings. This movement is perhaps the most underrated exercise for overall health and longevity. It is like getting 4 essential exercises in one: cardiovascular conditioning, balance training, coordination, and full body muscle activation. As we age, our cardiovascular fitness naturally declines. Our blood vessels lose elasticity. Our stamina decreases. This exercise challenges your balance in a safe, controlled way. You are lifting one leg at a time, shifting your weight, and coordinating your arms and legs. This trains the exact skills you need for walking confidently, climbing stairs, and most importantly, preventing falls. Research from the American Heart Association confirms that moderate cardiovascular activity performed regularly can improve circulation and boost energy. Furthermore, A study in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity confirmed that exercises combining movement patterns like marching significantly improve balance and reduce fall risk in older adults. This simple march is your frontline defense against accidents. Preparation. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. If you need extra stability, position yourself near a wall or a sturdy chair that you can touch lightly. Engage your core gently and roll your shoulders back so your posture is upright and strong. The action: lift your right knee up toward your chest to a height that feels comfortable and controlled. Somewhere between hip and waist level is perfect. The coordination: as your right knee lifts, swing your left arm forward and your right arm back, just like you are walking with an exaggerated motion. This opposite arm and leg pattern is natural and helps create balance. The rhythm: lower your right foot back down with control. Do not just drop it. Then, immediately lift your left knee and swing your right arm forward. Continue alternating in a smooth, rhythmic pattern. Focus on lifting through your knees, not shuffling your feet. The arm swings are just as important as the leg movement. They activate your shoulder muscles, improve posture, and increase the cardiovascular demand. Breathing: breathe naturally. Some find it helpful to inhale for 2 steps and exhale for 2 steps. This creates a rhythmic pattern that makes the exercise feel easier and more sustainable. Starting point: start with 1 to 2 minutes of continuous marching. Rest for 30 seconds. Then repeat for a total of 3 rounds. Make it easier. March in place without the arm swings to simplify coordination, or hold on to a chair with one hand for stability. I will see you in the next video.